Hello beautifuls, it's Simple Beauty TV. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to treat pimples and fine lines around the mouth or the eyes. But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any of awesome effective remedies. Peel off one banana. Take a piece and gently rub it around your pimples. Do this for 10 minutes and leave it overnight. Then in the next morning, wash your face with water. Banana has vitamin A, B, E and also has zinc, which will treat your pimples. The second one is how you can treat fine lines and wrinkles. Peel off the skin of one banana, cut it to little pieces like this, and grind them in a grinder. Then add one egg yolk and mix them together very well. After mixing, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them together. Then apply a thick layer and leave it for 15 minutes. Then wash it with water. You can use this on your face or your hand. That was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any effective remedies coming up. And see you in my next video. Bye!